All over the world, plant products are exploited for their health and nutritional benefits. However, not many of these are on the same level as Moringa oleifera. Moringa oleifera is a key ingredient in many spices and curries, and it offers numerous other benefits apart from just making your food taste better. There are very few plants around that offer as much health and nutritional benefits like the Moringa oleifera. Little wonder why it has been used for thousands of years to treat a number of health complications. This plant contains powerful bioactive compounds and healthy antioxidants that work effectively to give you that additional immunity boost. As a plant, Moringa oleifera grows in the tropical and subtropical regions and so can survive in drought-ridden areas. So far, the scientific research into the health benefits you might enjoy from using Moringa oleifera hasn't been extensive enough. In fact, to this day, scientists are still uncovering several unique health implications of moringa. But available evidence does show that users can derive a great number of benefits from moringa.
Welcome to Simplified Health Tips, your place for factual information about achieving and maintaining optimal health. I'm Emma. Today Michael and I will be covering everything you need to know about Moringa oleifera, including all its amazing health benefits. So, tap the like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's go. Okay Michael. Let's begin by exploring the many nutritional benefits of Moringa oleifera.
Every part of this unique plant is important. From the seeds, leaves, bark and roots to the flowers and sap, nothing is useless. These parts are often used in traditional medicine to treat a number of illnesses. Additionally, you can use the leaves and seed pods of this plant to provide your body with just the right nourishment it requires. Moringa oleifera is packed with vitamins and nutrients. Every single part of the plant is a major storehouse for nutrients. The Moringa oleifera plant leaves are packed with important minerals like potassium, calcium, zinc, iron, magnesium, and copper. Vitamins are not left out, as the leaves of the moringa plant are also rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, vitamin B, like folic acid, nicotinic acid and pyridoxine. Others like vitamin C, D and E are also included. Moringa oleifera also contains important phytochemicals such as terpenoids, alkaloids, tannins, flavonoids, anthraquinones, saponins, and sterols, as well as other components for reducing sugars content. Moringa may be effective against some cancers. Scientists are also linking this multifunctional plant with the ability to cure cancers like that of the colon, or at least slow down its growth because of the presence of anti-cancerous agents like glucosinolates, glycoside compounds, isothiocyanates, and glycerol 1,9-octadecanoate. Moringa is effective for treating obesity. The leaves of the moringa plant may possess everything in excess. Well, everything but substantial calorific value, and so it is prescribed for people who are obese and are taking up diets to lose weight. The fibrous pods are extremely valuable to treat digestive problems and fight off colon cancer. A recent study shows that immature pods may contain up to 46.8% fiber and around 20.6% protein. Pods of moringa are said to also have at least 30% amino acid content. On the other hand, the leaves and flowers, both mature and immature, as well as the immature pods showed great amounts of palmitic, linolenic, linoleic and oleic acids. Moringa oleifera is a great source of calcium. The Moringa oleifera has surplus minerals and vitamins that are absolutely essential for your total development and growth. Among these minerals are essentials like calcium, which is often regarded as one of the most important minerals when it comes to overall growth. Prior to this time, you probably thought milk was the ultimate source of calcium. Well, ounce for ounce, Moringa oleifera has more essential minerals like calcium than milk. For every 8 ounces of milk, there is about 300 to 400 milligrams of calcium. While moringa leaves provide you with over 1,000 milligrams of calcium. Moringa powder packs even more heat, offering more than 4,000 milligrams of calcium. Moringa contains iron necessary for anemia treatment. In the case of an absence of iron, moringa powder can serve as an excellent substitute. Therefore, it is important in the treatment of anemia. The quantity of iron in beef is about 2 milligrams, but in moringa powder, the amount of iron is over 28 milligrams, which is even more iron than you can get from spinach. Moringa offers about 25.5 to 31.03 milligrams of zinc, which is the appropriate dietary intake for synthesis of DNA and RNA, and for the growth of sperm cells.
Wow! No wonder it's called the miracle tree, and the tree of life. What are some of the health benefits of Moringa oleifera?
Moringa oleifera packs a mean punch when it comes to promoting total health and wellness. As a result of moringa being rich in healthy nutrients like vitamins A, B2 and B6, C, magnesium, iron and proteins amidst many more. It is widely used for its many health advantages. A few of these benefits are listed below. Moringa is very rich in antioxidants. Free radicals can be harmful to your body. Chronic levels of free radicals may lead to heart diseases and type 2 diabetes as a result of oxidative stress. Luckily, antioxidants are capable of protecting you against these free radicals. Some of these antioxidants are found in the moringa plant. Apart from vitamins A and C, antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid are also present in the plant. A study in women taking at least 1.5 tablespoons of moringa leaf powder daily for more than 3 months showed significant increase in the amount of antioxidants in the blood. Moringa oleifera helps in lowering blood sugar levels. An elevated blood sugar may have catastrophic implications on your health. In most cases, this is the major evidence of diabetes. The importance of maintaining a healthy range for your blood sugar level can never be overstated. With more studies being done on the health benefits of Moringa oleifera, some studies point to moringa as a solution to elevated blood sugar. A study conducted in 30 women showed the reduction of blood sugar levels by more than 13% after taking 1.5 teaspoons or 7 grams of moringa powder daily for 3 months. Another study was conducted in 6 people diagnosed with diabetes. Results showed that adding 50 grams of moringa to their meal reduced their elevated blood sugar by 21%. Moringa reduces of inflammation. When your body encounters any injury or infection, its natural response is to inflame the affected region. Although this response is protective in nature, it could result in a serious medical condition if it persists. Several whole fruits, herbs, spices and vegetables also offer anti-inflammatory properties, but their influence on most kinds of inflammation is limited. Some scientists believe the reason moringa is efficient in reducing persistent inflammation is due to the presence of isothiocyanates in the plant. Moringa oleifera lowers cholesterol levels. High cholesterol levels may lead to the development of heart diseases. Plant products like oats, almonds and flaxseed can help reduce cholesterol levels. Several animal and human-based studies have also shown beneficial effects of moringa in lowering cholesterol levels. Moringa protects against arsenic toxicity. Overexposure to high levels of arsenic toxins may have fatal health implications. Various studies conducted in rats and mice have revealed that moringa leaves and seeds protect against some of the effects of overexposure to arsenic. Although this shows promise, it is uncertain if the results will be replicated in humans.
Here's a question that many of our subscribers asked. How should we use the moringa plant?
The Moringa oleifera plant is a plant with multi-purpose functions. The leaves, immature pods and roots of the plant are often consumed as vegetables. What is really special and unique about this plant is that every single part of the plant, which includes pods, leaves, seeds, tubers, flowers etc., is edible and safe for human consumption. Occasionally, the leaves of this plant are used fresh or dried and then ground into fine powder. The seed pods of the moringa plant are picked directly from the plant while they are still green and eaten directly or cooked. Many moringa users love the sweet taste of the seed oil, and the fact that it doesn't stick unnecessarily or dry up, and it doesn't become rancid. The cake obtained from the seed is often used in purifying drinking water. The seeds may also be eaten fresh and green, powdered, roasted or steeped.
Another common question is, what are the side effects of Moringa oleifera?
As with everything else, constant and uncontrolled consumption of moringa might have several side effects on your health. Pregnant women are advised to sometimes take the products from the plant so as to be equipped with many minerals and vitamins that they require. But taking the bark may lead to adverse effects. Some studies show that the bark of the moringa plant may cause uterine contractions in pregnant women. However, lab tests also show that moringa could be fatal for your liver if consumed in excess over time. It could lead to liver failure and cause kidney damage and in some cases infertility. Moringa may also cause problems in diabetic patients taking sitagliptin. The best way to take it is as prescribed either by a doctor or as contained in the directions on a trusted brand.
As we wrap up, please give our subscribers your closing thoughts on this near magical plant.
Moringa oleifera's numerous health benefits are best obtained when the plant and its products are taken in strict moderation and under professional supervision. In the medical community, plants like Moringa oleifera are often regarded as panaceas and as such provides treatment options for more than 300 different diseases. For thousands of years, moringa has been used extensively by Indian natives and Africans who use herbal medicine to cure ailments. The availability of phytochemicals in the plant makes it an effective medicinal agent. However, patients diagnosed with liver or kidney failure should not take this plant or its products so as to avoid complications.
Thank you again, Michael, for helping our viewers better understand Moringa oleifera. To our viewers, remember to share this video with someone who may benefit from the information. Also leave your feedback and topic suggestions in the comment section. See you next time.